HONSON Electronic Shenzhen Company Limited is located in Shenzhen City, which is well known as the capital of electronics in China. As a private joint stock enterprise with 12 years' experience on video game controllers, accessories, and parts, we have dedicated to the research, development, manufacture, sales, and service of video game accessories and parts since 2007, products including game controllers, game wheels, protect cases, vertical stand, game cables, game adapters, export to USA, Europe, Canada, Australia, South America, the Middle East, Asia, and over 150 countries. We created our own brand, HONSON, and we also supply OEM and ODM service to many famous worldwide brand companies, Amazon sellers, game stores, and distributors. HONSON reinvests 20% of our annual revenue into research and development. HONSON R&D teams develop over 20 new designs in every year and cooperate with many famous design companies to meet customers' requirements. We have been serving various buyers like Hama, Snakebite, Subsonic, Daz, Playtronics, and Tust. With 12 years' experience in game accessory design and production, we are confident that we have the capabilities to build up a prestigious brand domestically and worldwide. HONSON are willing to build a business relationship with your firm on the basis of equality, mutual benefit. Warmly welcome you to HONSON.